We also have a dedicated shipping area. We are an integrated large-scale factory that integrates manufacturing and trading. There are no middlemen for the same products with the same quality. Our price is more favorable. Our price is more favorable. At the for all kinds of special shaped hoses and connectors. Our factory offers one-stop shopping. One-stop shopping because our factory has implemented independent research and development. Up to now, we have implemented independent research and development. And whether you are in the construction machinery business or in the agricultural machinery parts business, as long as you are still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, don't swipe away this live stream. Don't swipe away this live stream. Our factory is located in a core industrial park in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory covers an advantageous location with a superior location. The location of our factory is close to the newly opened Feixiangxi Expressway exit in 2025, just 1 kilometer away. We are close to the main traffic artery. Close to the main traffic artery. We have fast logistics delivery nationwide. Nationwide logistics delivery. Super fast. We can undertake all large, urgent, and customized orders. We can undertake all of them.
Just before, many of our regular customers often feedback that
during peak seasons, orders may have a long lead time, which is quite common. After all, the 3 phases are in full production. The total production capacity of our factory has reached 80,000 meters per day. All the bosses in procurement should know that there are still many cheap, high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. Up to now, there are still many cheap, high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. Here there are many cheap, high-pressure hoses on the market now. Here I'll explain to you in layman's terms Why its price can be reduced again and again. 90% of the reason is that they come from these small workshops or small factories. They're because many small workshops, due to their small scale, have old production equipment, resulting in low precision. The precision is not enough.
During the production process, quality control relies solely on manual inspection.
Manual quality control. Not to mention their delivery time. In your procurement process, when you use the products, if there are frequent problems with product quality, their after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. After the second phase of our new factory is put into use, we invested over 30 million yuan. From the first process of the production line to the final product packaging, all of our production equipment are directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And each of our high-precision production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer precise control. This live room is too deserted. Let's send out a few red packets to attract more people. Okay, the host is now in the live room of the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. I just told you, there are so many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. Many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses, 90% of them, come from these small workshops and small factories. So here, I want to say to all the bosses in procurement, let me sound the alarm for you. When you purchase high-pressure hoses, you must thoroughly understand the manufacturer of this hose. You must thoroughly understand the manufacturer of this high-pressure hose. Know its scale, its production capacity, and what its production equipment is like, including its delivery time and after-sales service. We need to understand it from multiple aspects. Our Hannan City Sinopulse Co. Limited has been deeply involved in the high-pressure hose industry for 15 years. Why? It's all thanks to our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Thanks to our stable quality, which can ensure that our factory's big clients at home and abroad can make long-term and large-scale repurchases, and we can have long-term cooperation. This is the core bottom line we have adhered to for 15 years in manufacturing high-pressure hoses. A core bottom line. Super stable delivery time. Up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. And all of our production workshops, the production equipment. In all of our production workshops are equipped with high precision equipment directly from the industry's leading equipment manufacturers. High precision equipment. In the extrusion process, during the production process. There are not only daily inspections by our production operators, daily mutual inspections when products go on and off the assembly line, and self-testing, but also a professional quality inspection team conducting random checks, which is the key to ensuring the stability of the quality of high-pressure hoses. Enhancing the adhesion, the high-pressure rubber hose produced in this way will have higher viscosity, so that it will not burst, leak oil or gas during use, or have other issues. And on each of our extruders, we have also installed a high-precision outside diameter measuring device. This allows the high-pressure rubber hose to be under control all the time. It can monitor in real time whether the outside diameter of each high-pressure rubber hose meets the standards or not. This is also the Sinopulse Ho LMT in Hand City for each batch of products. During the production process, quality control. It relies not only on manual self-testing and self-inspection, but also on the inspection of our quality inspection, and even more on the high precision of our production equipment. This is our inner and outer glue coating process. Which is the guarantee of stable quality for the high-pressure rubber hose. Welcome to our live room. Welcome to our live room. The host is now in the source factory of high-pressure rubber hose in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hose. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, you must pay attention to the host's live room. You must pay attention to the host's live room. Our factory not only undertakes the regular high-pressure rubber hose, but also all special-shaped rubber hoses, non-standard customized ones. Our factory can undertake Our products can now adapt to all of your industries, all demands, and all environmental demands. And then Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited. Our product can meet all your scenario demands. All scenario demands. Some equipment requires the high-pressure rubber hose to withstand high temperatures of 150 degrees Celsius and work under such conditions. Our high-pressure rubber hose at 150 degrees Celsius will not age or show signs of aging. We have our own mixing workshop, and we have all the necessary experimental equipment in the lab. We inspect all the raw rubber materials in batches. All unqualified raw materials are directly rejected. For each batch of raw materials, the factory insists that all raw materials before entering the factory will be inspected by our professional experimental team. Only after the inspection of all raw materials is qualified will we proceed to the next process and put into use. We resolutely reject all unqualified raw materials. This is also the core key to controlling the quality of high-pressure hoses, because we deeply understand that the raw materials of the product are the core key to assuring product quality stability. It is also our first threshold. Only by guarding the first threshold well can the quality of our high-pressure hoses be more stable. The quality will be more stable. This is also a core key to ensuring quality. For raw materials, we never cut corners. In our factory, as of now, we have 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. We are not a newly opened small factory. Nor we don't have any middlemen. For high-pressure hoses of the same quality. Our price is more favorable. Our price is more reasonable. If you are still looking for high-quality, high-pressure hoses, you must come to the host's live room. And stay for a while. Click on Interaction. Welcome to the live room. The host is now at the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province.
Okay. Welcome to everyone who just entered the live room. Welcome to everyone who just entered the live room. The host is now in the live room of a source factory for high pressure hoses in the Fixed Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province.
All bosses who do procurement should know that. In this industry, you should know that all the production clusters of high-pressure hoses are in Jingxian County, Hebei Province, and a place in Zhejiang Province in the south, as well as Guangzhou, including Suzhou Jiangsu Province. Many people may not know that. There is a large-scale production base of high-pressure hoses in Handan, Hebei Province, which is an ancient capital that has not changed its name for 3,000 years. In Handan, Hebei Province, there is also a source factory of high-pressure hoses. A source factory of high-pressure hoses. So far, our factory has 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry, and so far, we have our own R&D team. Many special-shaped hoses, including some that can adapt to various management environments, especially the adaptability of hoses in harsh environments. We have already improved. All high-pressure hoses, whether it is 150 degrees Celsius above zero or minus 50 degrees Celsius, can fully adapt to all your needs. And we have our own R&D team, which can undertake your non-standard customization and all your non-standard customization. All of our high-pressure hoses, whether it's the ordinary ones or non-standard customized high-pressure hoses, as long as you're still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory. Please don't swipe away this live stream. Please don't swipe away this live stream. Of course. Among all the source factories of high-pressure hoses, Handan Sinopulse Hose Co., Ltd. has 15 years of deep cultivation in this industry. We are not a newly opened small factory, although we don't focus on publicity. Many bosses in procurement don't know our factory, but let me tell you, and let you know about our factory. Our factory is not a newly opened small factory, nor is it a middleman for OEM. Our factory covers an area of over 100 mu. The total construction area is over 100,000 square meters. The total construction area is over 100,000 square meters. Up to now, we have our own R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our storage workshop. We also have our own delivery area. We are an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates research, development, production. We are an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates research, development, production, and sales. All of our products are self-produced and self-sold. For high-pressure hoses of the same quality. Our price is more affordable because we are self-produced and self-sold. And our products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. We have already exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Why can our products go global? Why can our high-pressure hoses be exported to more than 60 countries worldwide? Why can our products be popular across the country and be purchased in large quantities by many customers? It's all thanks to our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. The average is 50. How much do you give on average? I've never been rated. Welcome to the family who just entered the live room. Welcome to the family who just entered the live room. The host is now in the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the source factory of high-pressure hoses. The host is now in the live room of a high-pressure hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It's the source factory live room. As we all know, the production cluster of high-pressure hoses is in Jingxiang County, Hebei Province. There are a lot of such factories. There are many in Jingxiang County, Hebei Province. Many people don't know that, including some who find the host and say, "You know that in Jingxiang County, Hengshui City, they all make hoses, and in Handan, Hebei Province, I really didn't know about your products." In fact, Handan City Sinopulse Hose Co. Ltd. was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been in the high-pressure hose industry for 15 years. Because our factory, since its establishment, has its own R&D team, and up to now, we also have our own R&D team. So far, we have entered the live streaming track. We just dared to do live streaming and promotion on the platform to let more people know about our factory and let more people know about our factory. Know that we have a 3,000-year-old ancient capital in Handan that has not changed its name for 3,000 years. In Handan, Hebei, there's also a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose production workshop, a production enterprise. Let more people know about our factory. Let more people understand our factory. Know our factory. Our total floor area has reached over 100,000 square meters. Currently, the daily output of our high-quality rubber fruit has reached 80,000 pieces. The daily output has reached 80,000 pieces. In production. The survival of an enterprise depends on its quality. Its quality. The stability of quality and its competitiveness relies on the scale and management of production, including the production equipment in our workshop. It also relies on high-precision production equipment. All the bosses doing procurement. If you are also looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses, please don't swipe away this live stream.
Please don't swipe away this live stream.
I am now in the live stream room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Today I will continue to show you around our factory. Let's take a look at our factory. We can also undertake them steadily. All right, all the work. If you are still looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses, you must come to the host live room. Follow The host is now in the live room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. In 2024, the newly put into use of the second phase of the new workshop. The second phase of the new workshop. At the same time, we invested more than 30 million yuan
to upgrade all our production equipment. All updated.
All It can monitor the parameters of the high-pressure rubber hose in the production process in real time to see if it is exceeding the standard. If it exceeds the standard, these high-precision equipment can accurately alarm and stop the machine for detection. This is also the stability of the quality of our high-quality, high-pressure hoses. This is also our real-time control over the quality of high-pressure hoses in the production process. And each of our high-pressure hoses must pass 150 quality tests before leaving the factory and entering the finished product packaging process. Each high-pressure hose will undergo a pressure test. The testing standard is twice the working pressure of this high-pressure hose, withstanding pressure for 1 minute. After 1 minute, for example, for this high-pressure hose, if its working pressure is 20 megapascals, during the experiment, we will conduct a pressure test of 40 megapascals and let it withstand pressure for 1 minute. All oil and gas leakage, all gas and water leakage. The hose in our factory will be directly scrapped. This is also the last step we take to check each high-pressure rubber hose before it leaves the factory. The core key, and it's also a core key for us, we will never allow substandard products to enter the market. This is also the core key for us to inspect the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose. The higher the rate of qualified products, the more stable the product quality is. And the high-pressure rubber hose can go further. The longer we